Formal versus informal English at a restaurant. Hi everyone, welcome to Englishova. Today you'll learn the difference between formal and informal English at a restaurant. We'll also look at some common mistakes English learners make and how to fix them. Outside the restaurant and formal.
Hey Sophia, what's up?
Not much. I'm starving.
Same. Let's grab some food.
This is informal English because they're close friends. Greeting the waiter, common mistake.
Good evening. Welcome.
Hey, table for two.
That's okay with friends. But it's more polite to say, good evening. We'd like a table for two, please.
Right this way.
Lesson. Avoid hey with restaurant staff. Use good evening or hello.
Ordering food, common mistake.
Give me a burger.
That's too direct. I'd like a burger, please. Common mistake. Give me. I'd like. Could I have?
Asking for water.
I want water.
Better say. Could I have a glass of water, please?
Of course.
Common mistake. I want. I'd like. Could I have?
Calling the waiter.
Waiter.
It's more polite to say.
Excuse me.
Yes, how may I help you?
Common mistake. Waiter. Excuse me.
Here you go. 1 pasta and 1 grilled chicken. Enjoy your meal.
Wow, this looks delicious. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is how you politely acknowledge. Thank you so much with a smile.
And if you need anything,
You say, excuse me, could we have some more water, please? Not, give me water.
Ketchup asking.
Hey, give me the ketchup.
Emma. That's impolite. In a restaurant, we ask politely.
Polite version.
Excuse me, could you please pass me the ketchup?
Perfect. Let's make it even more polite. Excuse me, could you please pass me the ketchup when you have a moment? Thank you.
Paying the bill.
Bring me the bill.
Try this instead. Could we have the bill, please?
Common mistake. Bring me. Could we have?
Thank you very much. The food was excellent.
you're very welcome.
Let's review today's common mistakes. Informal, direct. Hey, give me, I want waiter. Bring me the bill. Formal and polite. Good evening, hello, we'd like a table for two, please. I would like, could I have? No, it's your turn. Which sentence is more polite? Give me water. I want pasta. Which mistake do English learners make most often? Write your answers in the comments. See you in the next Englishova lesson. Like, share, and subscribe to Englishova. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these two videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.